We're going to look at enzyme immunoassay and ELISA point-of-care testing. These are basically very simple kits. They are found everywhere in the medical community. They'll test everything from HIV and RSV, flu, feline leukemia. The vets will use them. You'll find them all over the place. There are many different types of cartridges, but they all work essentially the same way. We're looking at an antigen-antibody reaction. So if I'm testing for an antigen, I'm going to use an antibody. If I am testing for an antibody, I'm going to use an antigen. A couple of general things we need to remember about these, and I kind of refer to them as the 1-2 look for blue tests, because in most of them, that's all you do. Add some sample and look for the lines or the dots. We have to QC these things. It is important to follow current regulations. For the most part, we QC each lot number of kit per shipment. That can change with local regulations, so make sure that you check into that. We have to record the lot number and expiration date. It is part of CLIA requirements to make sure that wave testing is done properly. You're going to record the lot number off of the box, not off of each individual component. The manufacturer will monitor each lot number of component and they'll know which kits it was in. So if they recall a kit, they'll be able to recall all of them, but you have to make sure you record the lot number and expiration date each time you run the test. The only other thing to remember is that many of these have to sit there for anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. They're very boring if you're just sitting there watching them. So you really should take the opportunity to do something else. So you can run multiple tests at the same time. Just make sure you set a timer and know what timer goes with what test.